Hi, I hope you doing good. I have developed a tool for Yelp.com data scraping. It will scrape data from Yelp, and these are the data fields that will be scraped by this tool: title, phone, URL, address, city, state, zip code, categories, rating, lies, image, review count, and etc. I am going to start this. Okay, it will be started right now. I will show you the category restaurant, category restaurant data scraping, and it is the location, and keyword is restaurant. Okay, delay is 2 seconds. I am going to start this. And here you go, data scraping has been started. It will scrape all the restaurant available in New York City. Okay, and you can see count here: 250, 300 has been scrapped, and you can see all the data has been formatted very well. Okay, now you can export it. Okay, here is the file name, Yelp restaurant. Okay, path I will set desktop here, and format will be XLS. Okay, and I am going to export it. Here you go, data has been exported successfully. I am going to open it. If you need any tool for any website I can develop, this is just a demo. You can see data has been exported into Excel, and that is the final data. Okay, thank you very much. I am hoping for to get work from you. Thank you.